So now, with the theories away, we are going to solve a practical question. We are going to solve three different questions. So let's start. So this is a question. When the question is presented before you, there are different types of BRS questions which can be solved. One. So let's say we have type 1. Let me make them in types. Let's say type 1. Type 1 it can involve the cash book. The question can give us the cash book. That's the original cash book, plus the bank statements. Type 2, the question can give us notes on the cash book. They will not give us a table. Cash book, I mean, to give us a T account, but you give us the bank statement table. So let me say cash book plus bank statement tables. Let me say tables or T account or ledgers. So let me say table to mean the schedule, or cash book and bank statement schedule or table. So whichever way we want to take it, schedule or tables. And the bank statement table here, it means instead of giving us the cash book, the question will give us some notes, paragraphs, statements, transactions. Then on the cash book only, then it will give us a table. Type 3, the question can give us the cash book schedule or the cash book T account, the cash book account, or the cash book table. Let me say table or the schedule. But then instead of bank statements, give us the bank statement notes. So the bank statements will not give us a table nor a schedule, to give us paragraphs, transactions. Type 4, the question can give us all notes. Both the cash and the bank, they will all be notes. We'll see such questions. So today, what we are trying to solve right now is we are going to solve the cash book, and we are going to solve the first type. Then after we finish with the first type, we come and solve the type 4, the all notes. That is what we are going to do now. So let's move on. Now, when this question is presented, the first thing you do is write the entity's name. The following is an extract from the books of Mr. Edward Hajo. So you write the entity's name, Mr. Edward Hajo is a sole trader. That is the cash book bank column, meaning they gave us the bank column of the cash book. Prepare, what is the requirement? The next thing we'll take note of the requirement. Prepare the adjusted cash book up to date. So I'll start adjusted cash book. Prepare the adjusted cash book, stating the new balance as on 30th April 2008, and also the bank reconciliation statement. So in the exams or under exams conditions, I write a Mr. Hajo at the entity, I write the adjusted cash book, then I come below, I'll write the bank reconciliation statements. Below, just below, some space below there. Then I write here Ghana cedis. I write the Ghana cedis. Then here in the adjusted cash book, I write balance as per adjusted cash book. I don't know what my balance is going to be, whether debit balance or credit balance, but let me write something there. Balance as per adjusted cash book. And in my adjusted cash book, I write the Ghana cedis. Now, look at the original cash book in the question. I'm not going to write the dates. The dates are not actually very important or necessary. Where is the balance brought down in the original cash book?
On the debit.
So the same way, you repeat the same way in the adjusted. Balance, you say brought forward. 12,700. Now, you ask yourself, we are going to do diagonal analysis, basically like we did at the top here. you will see that we have the debit and credit. Then we can also have um, the credits in the cash book and the debits in the bank statements. That's what we are going to do. So we go. In the adjusted cash book, we have 12,700. So we'll be asking ourselves on the debit side, what figures or check numbers or what values are on the debit side but are not on the credit side? That's the first thing we do. So having written the adjusted cash book, let me assume, right, that the adjusted cash book information, it will end somewhere here. This is the end of my booklet. I can write somewhere on as workings on my book. We have unpresented checks, which are part of the bank statements. Because I don't know the number of checks, I'll write under the balance per adjusted cash book, add unpresented checks. I'll just create a workings for it. And I'll be writing the individual check numbers or check amounts here or check values. Then I'll leave a space and I'll write. So let me say unpresented checks. And the unpresented checks, what else do we have? Wrong what?
Why,
Wrong what?
why are you seeing it?
Come again?
The credit transfer.
No, 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 no. In the this information, I'm picking it from the BRS.
Wrong,
Unpresented checks.
wrong
Mhm.
debit.
No, wrong credits. Just ask yourself the wrong debits and credits. Which one of them is corrected by debiting? Then you know which one to write. If you say wrong debit, how is it corrected? It's crediting. I want to write all the unpresented checks items there. Those debit items in the BRS. Here,
Error,
here.
error.
Yeah, I want to write all these debit items, these ones. That's what I want
Oh,
to write
okay.
on one side because I don't know the information I will need. They can fall on any. So error. Then I'll leave the space and come and write uncredited checks. The other side. I write what? Wrong what? Debit. Because how do you correct wrong debits? By crediting. Uncredited checks, how are they corrected? By crediting. Then error. So these are my workings. Because I don't know how they will be the information on them in the question until I finished. So balance plus 40 is 12,700. Then I'll be looking at the debit side of the cash book. What information is there which is not on the credit side? The balance brought down, I'm not going to touch it. Let's start with why edu. How much is why edu's figure?
1,520.
So if we see the figure on the credit side diagonally, we will say it is okay, it has no issue, so we leave it out. If we don't see the figure there, then we'll ask ourselves, the figure is in the cash book. Why is it not in the bank statement? Is that error or is that issue affecting the bank statement or it's not affecting? If it's affecting the bank statement, then we'll ask what book is used to correct the bank statement. Then we go and do the necessary changes. Are we okay?
Yeah,
So what the why you do? 1,520. Credit side is the figure there.
yeah,
It is here. It is there. It is there. Now let's go. 10. Now we go back to the debit side of the card. 1080 is the figure on the credit side.
yes,
Is there. So we leave it out. 1760, 1,760 is the figure on the debit side.
yeah,
Okay. 2320, AUSU is the figure on the credit side.
no.
No. So if the figure is not on the credit side, what will be the issue? Where should we
Um,
post the figure?
even getting confusion. If the figure is not on the debit side,
The
which
2320 is in the debit side of the cash book. It's on the credit side.
unpresented is
Listen
on
to
the
me.
debit.
The 2320 is in the debit side of the cash book. It's on the credit side.
No,
So what does it mean? What's the name? Where do we classify it between these two? Okay, is it in the bank statement?
no.
So if it's not in the bank statement, between the cash book and the bank statement, which one of them has the issue?
The bank statement.
So what is used to correct the issues in the bank statement?
BRS.
And these, what I've written here as workings, are they from the BRS or they are not from the BRS?
They're from the BRS.
So if it's on the credit side where the figure is not, what is the name given to that?
On
Uncredited, because it's credit. They should credit it. It is not here, so the bank has not credited it, so it's uncredited.
oh yeah.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
So we'll write the figure here as what? 2320, which is uncredited check. Are we good?
Yeah.
Then we come back to, so we finish with the debit side against the credit side. So now we come back to the bank statements to come and check the figures on the credit side and compare them also whether they've reflected in the cash book on the debit side.
Mhm.
Are you
Okay.
following?
Yeah.
So 1520, is it on the debit side of the cash book?
15 to is yeah, it is.
1080, is it on the debit side?
Yeah.
1760, is it on the debit side?
Yeah.
1040, is it on the debit side?
No.
So between the bank statement and the cash book, which one of them has the issue?
The cash book.
So the cash book, if the cash book has an issue, what is used to correct the cash book?
The adjusted cash book.
So we use the adjusted cash book. So in the adjusted cash book, which side will we record the figure?
Credit debits.
How much?
100,040.
1040. What is the name? Look at the name in the bank statement. The description.
Credit transfer.
So credit transfer. That's how you, if it's a tabular form or bank
Okay.
statement, that's how you get it done. So we are done with the debit side of the cash book and the credit side of the bank statement. The credit side of the bank statement, we are done with them. We have reconciled.
We are
We've
done with
used
the
that.
debit side of the cash book and then the credit side of the bank statements.
We are done with
That
those
was
two sides.
okay.
And we've used the BRS and adjusted cash book to correct the errors, the differences, the discrepancies.
But the
Are you
workings,
getting
am I going to do it in the exam book or
it? You can do it. You can do it in the exam book as workings. Write it somewhere as workings on the same answer booklet.
oh okay.
Now, then we will switch to the other sides as well. We'll start. So do it. Let me see.
So the 940 is there. 2,120 is not there.
So if it's not there, what happens?
That's unpresented
How did you know it's unpresented?
because it didn't come in the bank statements. It wasn't in the bank statement, so they didn't present it.
So it wasn't in the bank statement. So the issue is affecting the bank statement. So what do we use to correct the bank statement?
The BRS.
The BRS. So it will go to unpresented. They come and write under unpresented. How much is it? 2120.
2,000.
Continue.
The 820 was also not there.
Mm-hmm.
So you also add it
So I'll
to
add
the,
it.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
12,700 wasn't also there.
That one
Hey,
is a balance.
that's the
So,
balance.
so we
So
don't
that's
include
all.
it.
Then we'll come to the bank reconciliation. 940 is there. 2,122 is not there.
No, 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 no. We come to the debit of the bank statement. Look
Yeah.
at the figure there and compare. If it's not there, don't speak about it. So
Okay.
940 is on the debit side. Is it
Yeah.
on the credit side of the cash book?
Yeah.
Move on to the next figure. What figure is next?
800
Uh-huh.
is not there.
So what do we do?
You go to your adjusted cash book.
Why are we using the adjusted cash book?
That's what you used to balance.
That is what we use to correct.
Correct.
Correct the word cash book.
Yeah.
So what do we write?
You put at the credit side
Mm-hmm.
800
Mm-hmm.
and then you type name it bank charges.
Hey, what is wrong with my stylus pen? Hold on. 800. So what is the name? Bank.
Charges.
It's flowing now. Okay. Are we good?
Yeah.
Is that all?
Yes.
Yes. So now, between the two sides of in the adjusted cash book, or between the two sides of the adjusted cash book, which side will give you the higher value, higher total when I'm to add
The
the figures together?
the debit side.
So I'll underline it and I underline the city sign over there too. Double underline, double underline. What's the total on the debit side?
13,740.
You repeat the same figure for the credit side, 13,740. Now, what figure should be added to the 800 to obtain 13,740? So just subtract the 800 from the 13,740.
That'll be 12,940.
12,940. So another when I add 20,940 to 800, I'll have 13,940. So this 12,940 is called balance carried down. Then on the opposite side, we'll have balance brought down. The same figure, 12,940. It must fall under the currency. Are you good?
Yeah.
Then, is the balance on the debit side?
These are coming. Yeah, the balance is on the debit side.
So if it's on the debit side, then we'll be going by the first BRS format. Are you good?
The unpresented.
So balance as per adjusted cash book, 12,940.
Isn't it supposed to be, won't you do debits or credits for this one?
If you want to write debit, you can write it. Are we okay?
Yeah,
Then what else?
that's all.
You
Then
are preparing?
unpresented,
No, what? Add
add unpresented check.
checks. Okay, let's see. Unpresent check. How many checks?
They were two,
So we have what? 2120.
220 plus 820.
How much was it?
21, 2940.
2940. I believe it's correct.
Yeah.
Did we have anything for wrong credits?
No,
Error?
no.
So we're going to write there. Let's make this one working one. So we'll say working one. 2940. We will add. What do we have?
Plus 2940. That'll give us 15,880.
Madam.
12,940.
What is next?
I'll write in. That's all. We didn't get.
Yeah, so what is next? The format.
So the next one is wrong credits, but we didn't.
We've done the workings. We got zero for them.
Oh,
Have you seen? We got zero. So we now
yeah,
need to write them.
yes.
So what is the next?
The uncredited check.
So how do we write it? Add or less?
Less.
Why are we lessing?
Because you added the first one, so the next one should be at less.
No, that's not it. It's because the next one, they are credit items. And whenever credit items meet debit items, they will subtract.
Oh,
Didn't I explain it here?
yeah.
That's it. So less uncredited checks. So what was the uncredited checks value?
2,320.
Okay. If you want us to also write it this way too, we can write it that way. Let me say it this way. Um, let's say unpresented checks. We have 2940. So let's say
Mhm.
2940. Then wrong credits. Wrong credits. Zero. Error. Zero. Total is what? 2940. If you want it this way, you can write it this way. What do we have? 15880, right?
Yeah.
Then we say less uncredited checks. How many checks? One, right?
Yeah.
2320.
Yeah.
So we go and write it there. 2320. Then we write what's wrong. Debit, right?
Oh, we should do it the other way.
Oh, it's all right. Then we have error. So long as we didn't have any figures, you can choose not to write them.
Oh, okay.
That's what I want to say. If you don't
So
have
I
any
can.
figures, just choose not to write them. So 2320. We just bring it here. 2320. Then we less the uncredited checks. What do we have?
Minus 2320. That's 13,560.
So what's the name of that last figure? What's the description?
Error.
Madam, look on the format.
Balance per bank
You
statement.
that you like the error more than what you are learning. Hey, everything error.
Hmm.
What is your name? Error. Have you eaten? Error. Say, hey, what kind of life is that? What is your contact number? Error. When was the last time you took lunch? Error. Why? So look at the question we are solving. Look at the balance in the bank statement. Look at the balance, the last balance. What's the figure?
Yeah. 13,560.
So they must always be the same. It's credit.
Oh,
Credit
oh,
means it's positive. Here too is positive. Are we good?
yeah.
We are done. That's the first example. This is
Oh,
how
wow. It's
the
not
type
plenty.
1 is like if we are giving tables. Let's solve another one.
This is the one nine.
Let's solve the 7. This is the question. What's the first thing to do?
I'm coming. I can't see. Let me refer to my phone.
Hold on. Can you see now?
Yeah. First of all, you draw your adjusted cash table and
Wrong.
then you read the requirements.
Wrong.
Eh,
What is the first thing you see here?
bank.
What is the first thing you see? Where are you looking
Oh,
at?
the name
So
of
what?
the account.
Uh-huh. The name of the entity.
Mr. Amua.
Next,
Then you draw your adjusted table. You underline it.
you go to the requirements.
Requirement is an adjusted cash book, bank
Then,
records.
then you come and draw the adjusted cash book. So your T account, it says I. So your I, you draw your T account, adjusted cash book. Then what next?
Then your bank reconciliation under it.
You leave some lines, spaces. So you say bank reconciliation statement.
As at 31st.
Are you good?
Yeah. Then you come to the under right workings. Unpresented. And then wrong credits. Then error.
Mm-hmm.
Then you go to the other one. Less unpred.
Yeah, I just writing them now. So this working one, this working two. I getting it.
Yeah.
So what do you write when you come to the bank reconciliation statements?
You write balance as
Madam, you bring your currency signs.
oh
Balance as per what?
as per balance as per adjusted cash book.
What next?
I'm coming.
I'm waiting.
Then you start with the work.
Okay, let's go.
Mm,
Quick, quick, quick.
balance. The following information was extracted from the record of Mr. Amora, a petty traders at 31st December 2022. Balance as per bank statements as at 31st December 2022 was 40,000 credits. The cash book balance was 80,000 credits in the bank accounts column. The following has
Hold on, hold on. The cash book. So you come and enter it. Where would we write 80,000 in the cash book?
wait, so credits at the credit side,
To write balance brought forward. How much?
40,000.
Hey,
Hey, but there's 40,000. Why did you skip the 40,000?
read it, read it.
Balance was balance as per bank statements. Oh, okay, okay, I get it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so 80,000.
The balance as per bank statement, like the one we solved, is what you must get finally at the bottom of the BRS, just like this one, just like this one.
Oh, okay, okay.
Balance as per bank statement. It means at the end you
The,
should have to arrive at that figure.
oh, okay, I get.
Continue.
Standing orders. Standing order is 6,400.
So where do
That's
you record standing orders?
at the credit side.
So standing orders. How much?
6,400.
What it means is that the standing orders, it's in the bank statement, the debit side. It's there in the bank statement, but it's not in the cash book. That's why I'm recording it here. Do you get it?
Oh, yeah.
Continue.
Bank charges. 14,000.
Where would you record it?
Credit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm writing. Dividend. Debit.
How much?
40,000.
Mm-hmm.
Incoming.
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming. 40,000. And then we have interest from Treasury Bill, 16,000. Interest is at debit.
You need to understand them. Oh. Don't be always looking on the format. You have to understand the transactions. Interest from treasury bill means an investment. So it
Mm-hmm.
means that we are working on the debit side. It means in the bank statement, on the credit side, they've credited it in the bank statement. Do you get it?
Yeah,
But it's not in the cash book. That's why it's on the credit debit side.
yeah.
The dividend from investment of 40,000 means that they've seen
It's
it
been in
in the
the
bank statement, credit side.
yeah.
But it's not in the original cash book. So we are writing it in the adjusted cash book.
Um,
Continue.
and then bank loan. Loan is credit, but
Mhm.
the interest I don't know.
Bank loan interest. How do you treat bank loan interest?
I know loan is credit. I don't know for bank
If you
loan.
go for a loan and you are paying the interest, it's not on the credit side.
Yeah.
So let's see. If we try and it's not right, then we change it. Bank
Okay.
loan interest. How much is it?
11,600.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. I'm
Mm-hmm.
coming. Okay. In addition, a check of 80,000 issued to Antiesta was dishonored because of insufficient fund.
Mm-hmm.
A check of
No, 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 no.
72,000.
You read one, you do the entry before you move to the next.
Okay, so dishonored check
Where?
at the that was debit.
Madam, check the
Right.
format.
Dishonored check is yeah from customer is credit. So Antiesta is a customer, so credit. Oh, Antiesta is a supplier.
The
So
standard check. How much is it?
80,000.
Mm-hmm.
A check of 72,000 from Stephen has not been credited by the bank.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, uncredited.
Checks. That's great. Another name for uncredited checks is they can use the word check lodgements. So uncredited checks equals what? Check lodgement. It's another name for it.
Okay.
So they can still use check lodgement. It's the same as uncredited checks. So uncredited, it's just look at the name. A check of has not been credited. So it means uncredited,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
72,000. Continue.
And then the bank has wrongly debited Mr. Amwa account with 28,000.
Mm-hmm.
So that's wrong debit, a wrong credit,
Madam. This is the how should they write it again?
wrong debit.
Wrong debit. So why do you want to go and say wrong credits when they've not said wrong credits? Wrong debits. How much is it?
28,000.
It says a check from Mr. Seven has not been credited. Uncredited. The bank has wrongly debited. Wrong debits.
Oh, okay.
And you want to go and say different thing. Continue.
A check of 19600 issued to Samuel remained unpresented. So unpresented is 196,000.
So where do you record that?
Unpresented check.
So here you do your workings. Sometimes the unpresented checks might be more. So you have to add them one after the other. Uncredited checks must be more. You have to put them in together one after the other. So these are our workings. So
All
let's
right.
go.
We have to go back to the work. Okay.
So we are here. So let's close it. Which side
Bank,
has the higher?
I'm coming. The the credit side has the highest.
So give me
I'm
the
coming
total.
to add it. So that's 80. Hey, what's happening? Basic. 800. That give us 249,600.
Make sure it's correct. I'm not taking part in addition.
Mm.
So write on the same side. Then add those two there and subtract from the 249,600. The difference, you write it here.
Four, two, nine, 6,000. That give us 193,600.
What's the name of this figure?
Balance carried down.
Mm-hmm.
196,600.
Where?
Balance carried down is 19. The income balance brought down
Where? Where should it be recorded?
at the debit.
Hey. Oh,
Balance carried down is at the debit.
it's on the debit. So where do you
Yeah,
record the balance brought down?
at the credit.
Yeah, opposite
Down
side. How much?
193,600.
So, uh-huh.
193,600. Okay, then we come to the you but so since it was at the credit side, so we use uncredited.
What should I write? That's what I'm interested in.
Add
Madam. Balance as per adjusted cash book. What should I write?
one 193,600.
Debit or credit?
It was at the credit.
So you can write it here just to remind you. Then we add what?
Unpresented check.
Madam.
The
Watch.
uncredited.
If it's the second one, if it's the credits, what do we add?
Uncredited.
So add uncredited checks. Then let's look at what we did. What's our credited checks figure?
Coming. So uncredited was 72,000.
So we just repeat, we just copy and paste whatever is here, which has figures.
Mm,
We copy
yeah,
them and paste them here. So uncredited checks for 72,000 here. Then
yeah.
wrong what?
Debit.
How much?
28 28,000.
We add. What do we have?
These are coming. Seven sixty thousand. 73,000. 188,000. So that'll give us 100,000.
Do we add or we subtract?
Mm, I added it.
No, no. The 100 and the 193, 600. Do we add or we subtract? That's what I mean.
We add.
Why?
The way you did it the first time is what I know.
Why? 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 Why are we adding?
Because it says add.
Okay, let me clear the add. Do we add or we subtract?
We add for credits and you subtract for debit.
That's what I wanted. I want to see whether you understand it. That's why I'm asking the questions. Because
Oh,
these two are corrected by what? Crediting. So credit, what do we do? We add.
add.
So what do we have? Is it correct?
Yeah,
What next?
I'm coming. So less unpresented.
Mm-hmm.
So unpresented, we had 19600.
Okay. 196,000. 196,000. Do we add or we subtract?
We subtract
Why?
because debit.
Because it's debit. Subtract. So what the difference? What's the difference?
I'm coming. That'll give us 274.
Hey, why that huge figure?
Exactly. Yeah.
Hold on, hold on. Let me check your figures. Oh, oh, oh. You gave me wrong figures. I told you to confirm the figures. Eh?
From where?
Calculate the 80 from here. 80 plus 6,400 plus 14 plus 11,600 plus 80 gives us 192,000. And you said 249,600. However, from that figure. Hmm. You have to confirm the figures before you record them. You have to always confirm the figures. So it's 190. Let me finish.
102,000.
You have to confirm it. If it were exams, you'd have failed.
Mm-hmm.
You have to confirm the values. When you compute it, confirm the figures again. That's accounting because here is a big blunder we shouldn't have occurred. It's just that it's unfortunate I'm recording it. So 192,000. So 192 minus 16 minus 40. 136. Let me finish before we conclude on it. 136,000. Two, 236,000. So, let's see. 236,000 minus 196,000. Quick, quick, quick. Hello.
146.
236 minus 196. No one. 136.
236 minus 196. 40.
What?
40,000.
Check the bank balance.
Yeah, it was 40,000.
So here we say balance
As
per
Bank
Or you can just say
statement.
balance as per bank statement, just as the top one. Are you good?
Yeah.
So you gotten the 40,000 there. We are done. So in this is like the type two kind of, you are giving the table, not actually a full table, like you are giving the bank statement figures and they giving you some cash information there. So here in the all notes, the standing order will be written in grammar, bank charges grammar, dividends grammar, interest from treasury bill grammar, bank loan grammar. Then you just put all it together. Always don't forget the figures. If you mess up, when you type, when you add the figures, recheck. Is it 80,000 I entered? Is it 6,400 I computed? Is it 14? Recheck before you confirm the final figure before writing it. You have to confirm the figure twice before you record it. Otherwise, when I left it for you to do it, we made a mistake. So we are done with the question 7. Any question?
No.
The last one, the very difficult one. This one. This one is
Mhm.
difficult. This is the last one, then we end it. Okay. If the question is presented before, what do you first do?
Well, I'm coming. I want to share something. One second. If the question you have to the name
Mm-hmm. What is it?
question 8. So you the name and then your adjusted
So tell me, let me write it.
the name is Adomanko Enterprise.
Mm-hmm.
Enterprise. You underline and then draw your adjusted cash.
After the Adomako, where do you go to?
The next,
Madam, required.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming. So you are required to adjusted cash book and then bank reconciliation statements.
So what do you do?
You draw your adjusted cash book.
So A, it's A. Your T accounts, the center of it, adjusted cash book.
And then you leave some space, you write your
B,
bank reconciliation
they all can fit the same page. Bank reconciliation what?
statement.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you rule it.
Mm-hmm. Then your Ghana city is signed.
Mhm.
Then what do you write?
Balance as per adjusted cash book.
Write it in full. Don't write CBK. Write it in full.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then you go to workings.
So let's say the book ends here. Workings. Mm-hmm.
Add
Maybe
unpresented check.
you will not always add. So just write unpresented checks. Mm-hmm.
Then wrong credits.
Mm-hmm.
Error.
Mm-hmm.
Uncredited.
Working two. Mm-hmm.
Wrong
Mm-hmm.
debits. Error. Error. Yeah, don't start. Mm, can't really see.
Can you read?
I can't see you. Yeah, bank charges. The cash book of Adamanco Enterprise showed a credit balance of 138,750, whereas the bank statement showed a debit balance of 220,770 on August
7710.
710 on August 31st, 2007.
17.
Subsequently,
Madam, I've told
subsequently,
you, you don't do that. You read one,
well,
you go and make the entry. Are you getting it?
yeah,
If you want to read everything before you start, we don't have time. So just read one, go and make the entry. Those you have to make the entry, make it.
okay.
And that's 7 1 thing. Just look at the tip where we have the stroke, the 7 and the 1. The one with the longer stroke is 7, the shorter stroke is 1. So look at the 2017. Have you seen how the 1 is written?
Yeah.
And the 7. The 7 has a longer stroke, the 1 has a shorter one.
So
So
that
that's how
means
you.
the first one is one. Okay.
Mhm.
138,750, right?
1381, 150. Just look at the 2017 and the what you have mentioned as 7. Are they the same?
Mm.
Are you
Okay,
getting it?
so yeah, so the first one is what we are supposed to get when we balance it, right? That's
I
the
don't know.
138.
We saw this is the third question, so you don't have to
Yeah.
ask me that.
Okay, yes, that's what you're supposed to get. So the
It's
debit,
wrong. What you are saying is wrong.
hmm, yeah, 7.
Just read it. Read it
Cash book
again.
of Adomanco Enterprise showed a credit balance of 138,150. Showed a credit balance.
That balance, it belongs to which of them?
Adomanco Enterprise.
No, no, no. Which we are dealing with two books here.
Balance brought forward.
We are dealing with two books, cash book and the bank reconciliation here. So that figure it belongs to which of them?
Bank statements.
Wrong.
Hey, cash book, yeah, of Adomanco, yeah, so it's cash book. And the second one is bank statement.
So the cash book, where do we record it?
It says credit
Where do
balance.
we record it? Where?
Credit.
So how do you what do you write?
Balance brought forward.
I know you are tired, that's why. Because it's not easy to stay away from 9 to this time.
150.
But I wouldn't give that consideration. If you get it wrong, I will sweep you.
And
Okay.
then the bank statements debit was 220,710. So that's under the bank statement.
So when we finish, you'll get there.
Mm, okay.
That one is the last thing to find, so we don't need it now. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Subsequently, the following discoveries were made. Bank charges of 8,700 had not been entered in the cash book.
Mm-hmm.
So we put it at the credit side, bank charges.
Mm-hmm.
Bank
Mm-hmm.
charges 8,700.
Mm-hmm.
Then Adomanco Enterprise had entered a receipt of 27,840 as so that's error.
Mm-hmm.
So 27, do you minus that?
So what do we do? Come here. There's an error. Let's deal with the error. Working through it. How much should it have been entered?
It was supposed to be 37,490.
No,
Hey, it's supposed to be 27,840.
no.
Which one is more?
It's supposed to be 27,840.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But why did you write it as the I and not error?
No, no, we are going to do some working before I write it up there.
Oh, okay.
And
It's
they recorded it as what?
37,430. 490.
What should we do?
Minus
To get what?
27,840 minus 37. Oh, you minus the 37 from the 27 instead. 1,490 minus 27,840. That'll give us 9,650.
Mm-hmm. So what do we do?
So you write it as error,
Now
as
watch.
the my
That
calculation.
transaction you read, where is the issue? Which the two books you are looking at, the adjusted cash book and the BRS, that transaction, which of the books is it affecting?
So,
The two books we are dealing with, the adjusted
mm,
cash book and the bank reconciliation statement, these two books. Okay, the cash book
but
and the bank statement.
this will be
Which,
the
hold on. The cash book and the bank statements. Which one of them has this issue affecting it?
this is bank statement.
Adomako
Or
Enterprise had entered a receipt.
A
Is it
is
Adomako Enterprise which works on the bank statement, which operates on the bank statement?
no.
Uh,
So it's the adjusted cash book.
no, no, it's the cash book.
Yeah.
The error, the issue is affecting the cash book. You have to, this is how the notes one is dealt with. Oh. They will not write cash book, they will not write bank statements. So you must ask yourself. That's why from the beginning I said that when you have to find out the issue is affecting which book.
Mm,
The first one they written it, so you can easily tell. But here they will not write it. So you have to know which of the issues the one is affecting. The first one, bank charges of 8,700 have not been entered. Because it's a format, you can say it's just here. But the second one is one like that. You have to ask yourself which of the two books is affected by this transaction. So which of them?
the Miss cash book.
The cash, because the Adomako has control over the cash book, whereas the bank has control over the bank statement. So Adomako cannot go and enter receipt on the bank statement. So it's the cash book. That is one. Two, if it was entering receipt in the cash, so if it is the cash book, what is used to correct the cash book?
BRS.
Madam, be careful. If the issue is with the cash
A
book,
adjusted
what
cash.
is used to correct? If you've forgotten, look on the screen. Let me help you. I have records here. Here is it. Here. If it's the cash book has issues, use adjusted cash book to correct it. Are you good?
Yeah.
So the issue is with the cash book. We are using the adjusted cash book to correct it. Now, pay attention. How it said that they entered it. So in the original cash book, how did they enter it? How did they record it?
Instead of
Where did they record it in the original cash book?
I'll go check.
Adomako Enterprise had entered a receipt of 27,840 as 37,490. So in the original cash book, where did they record it? Which side?
So this is an error. So at the credit side.
I'm saying, I'm not asking whether it's an error or not. I'm asking you, where did they record it in the original cash book? Just read the transaction and tell me.
I don't
We
know
said,
enterprise.
Madam, hold on. We said in the original cash book, look here, the debit side, the left-hand side of the original cash book, what is there?
Cash.
Ish. What is this?
Receipt.
So on the debit side of the cash book, they record receipts. On the credit side, what did they record?
Payment.
Payments. So read the question again and tell me which side they recorded it in the cash book. Read the transaction, the second transaction. Hello?
Adumanko Enterprise had entered the receipts also at the debit side.
They recorded it on the debit side. So what should they have recorded?
9,006.
No, 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 no,
We should
no.
have recorded 2,840.
27,840, right?
Yeah.
But they rather recorded what?
3,007.
37,490.
490.
So
Yeah.
what is this issue? It is called error of casting, overcast. Instead of 27, they recorded 37. It's excessive. It's more than necessary, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how do we correct it? How do we correct it?
37 minus the other one.
9650. So where do we so this is how the issue is. In the original cash book, this is the original cash book. Let me do it well so I can understand it. In the original cash book, they recorded it as what? 37,490. So it's an error. So you are using the adjusted to correct it. Adjusted cash book to correct it. So if you are using the adjusted to correct it, how do we correct it? You said 9650. So what do we do to the 9650? We subtract it from the 37,490, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to subtract it, do we take the figure to the debit side or to the credit side to subtract it? If you want to subtract the 9,650, do we take the
Credit.
figure to the debit side of the adjusted cash book or to the credit side to subtract it?
Credit.
To,
Debit.
to
The
the
debit.
credit. Don't forget what I said about Alice. If it's going to the same side, it's going to add. If it goes to the other side, it's going to subtract. That's what you are doing here. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So that when I put the 9650 here, now say 37,490 minus 9650. What does it give me? It will give me the 27,840, which should be the original figure. Do you get it?
Yeah.
If you go and put this 9650 on the debit side, you are going to add both. When you add it, will be even more than the 37,940, 490. Are we good?
Yeah.
Hold on. So we need to have 27,894 there. So by taking out 9650 from the 37,490, we will get a 27,840. So the original cash they recorded is 37,490. We cannot go into the original cash book and put this 9650 on the credit side. So what do we use to correct the original cash book? We use the adjusted cash book. So we'll place the balance, the difference on the credit side. So we've debited here, we've credited there. So that when we subtract, because when we put it on the credit side, we're going to subtract. If you come and put it on the debit side, we're going to add it to this, which is wrong. So when you put it on the credit side, we'll subtract the 9,650 from the 37,490, and we'll have the difference of the 27,840. That is what the question said we should arrive at. Are you good?
Yeah.
So when I go to the adjusted cash book, the parent, this is a mini one. When I go to the bigger or the further adjusted cash book, on the credit side, I will say error. error of custom, or just error, then I'll say that the 37,490 minus 27,840. What's the difference? 9,650. So that when I subtract this from the 37,490 in the original cash book, it will give me the 27,840 on the debit side.
So it was supposed to be at the credit side.
No, 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 no. Hold on. Let me use another method. What is this? Let's say this is the original cash book. The amount was what? 37,490. But the
Yes.
figure should not be 37,490. It should be 28,840. This should be the original figure. So they realize that they've overstated this. It's an error. So how do we correct it? Just put the difference. 37,490 minus 27,840 give us 9,650 credit side. The two sides, which one is greater?
The debit side.
So 37,490. Then 37,490. So 9,650 minus 37,490, what do we have? 27,840. This is called balance carried down. Opposite direction. Balance brought down. What is it? 27,840. Are you good? Are
Yeah.
you seeing we've gotten a 27,840 on the debit side?
Mm-hmm.
That is what we want. That's what the question said we should do. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Because they received 27,840. So it should be on the debit side. But they rather record 37,490. So the difference is 9,650. But the question is not asking us to do all this work. It just says correct it. Correct it. So when I put the 9,650 on the credit side, as I've done here, what I intend to state is what I have done below. But that one, the question is not asking us to do that. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Because I'm not only dealing with that error in the whole adjusted cash book, I'm dealing with other issues here. So just place the figure here, and then the automatically everyone will understand that when they see the figure, they will understand that the final figure on the debit should be 27,840, as I have done below there. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So if you want to do that working I've done in this adjusted cash book, it will not make sense, because this adjusted cash book is containing so many information, not only this 9,750. But what I have done below here, it's only for the 9,750, which is the 37,490. So in order for you to understand, but no one is asking us to do this. What they want is that there was an error. So when you place the error on the credit side of the adjusted cash book, it is just like placing it on the credit side of the original cash book. And this is how the whole work is envisaged to become. That eventually, when I place the 9,750 on the credit side, it will be adjusted against the 37,490 in order for us to have the 27,840. Are you good?
Yeah.
So it has been corrected. So long as I've played the 9,650, that it has been corrected. Let us move on to the next one.
Check drawn for payments to creditors totaling 109,000 had not been presented for payment.
Mm-hmm.
So unpresented check
Yeah, unpresented checks.
zero.
How much is it?
109,000.
Mm-hmm.
Then
So in exams, when you do one, the first bullet point, you check it. You check it. Then the second one, you check it, meaning you've done those two. The third one, because exams, you don't have so much time. So we're on the third one.
can
And
come
we are
in.
done the third one. So you check it. We're on the fourth one.
Okay, so the fourth one, customer owing 11, what's that? I can't see.
114,000.
Okay, had paid directly to the bank but Adomako Enterprise was not informed.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
Listen to
uh,
this well.
Adomako
Mm-hmm. Examine it
customer
carefully.
owing. You said what?
Examine it carefully.
Mm-hmm. Customer owing had paid directly to the bank, but Adomako Enterprise was not informed. Okay, so this will be what's the name of this?
Ask yourself this question. The two books, which one of them has an issue? The two books. When
Um,
I say books, the bank statement and the cash book, which one of them has an issue?
Cash book.
Why cash book?
But it said it has paid to the bank, but it didn't appear. But
Yes.
Adomako Enterprise wasn't.
Was not informed means Aramako didn't capture it in the cash book. So if it was not in the cash book, what book is used to correct the cash book?
Adjusted cash book.
That's how you have to understand it too. The notes type, that's how you have to understand it. The two books, which one is has an issue?
Oh, okay.
This is the one which has an issue. Okay. So how should it have been? The cash book has if the cash book has an issue, what is used to correct it? Adjusted. Okay, in the adjusted, how should it be done? That's where we are now. Now we've known that it's the adjusted cash book. So we want to know how was it done in the bank statement so that we will know how it will be done in the cash book. So the first one is you ask yourself, the two books, which one is affected by the issue? Is the cash book. If it's the cash book, what is used to correct the cash book? Adjusted. Okay, in the adjusted cash book, how was it done in the bank statement? If it's the bank statement, okay, how was it done in the cash book? How will it be done in the so that for the double entry? Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do it. So continue. Let me see what you can do.
Mhm. So this one, we didn't really-
So which book is affected?
the adjusted cash book.
So how was it done in the bank statement?
It was it was paid directly to the bank, but it wasn't
So
like
how was it done in the? We are looking at the bank statement. We know that it wasn't done in the cash book. We know. We are using
adjusted.
adjusted cash. Hold on. We are using like adjusted cash book to correct it. We know. But before you can adjust it in the adjusted cash, you ask yourself, how was it done in the bank statement? And when I mean done, well, how was it? Was it debited or credited in the bank statement? That's what I mean. In the bank statement, was it credited or debited?
It was credited
Why credited?
because you're giving
Who
the
is
bank.
giving?
The bank is the one receiving. The customer is giving.
Because it's credited because somebody was paying into Adomacon's bank account. So it will increase the balance. Will it?
Yeah.
So that's why it's credited. So if it was credited in the bank statement, how should it be done in the cash book? Double entry,
Debited.
debited. So what's the amount?
Well, I can't see the figure there.
114,000. I can't
100,000.
increase it any further.
I I can't see, but I just can't see what figure I'm trying to write. So 114,000.
Mm-hmm. What's the name? Direct
Um,
deposit. Eh?
okay.
Direct deposits. You need to, if you want to master the format, fine. But you need to also understand the transaction. Because there are certain cases where you may forget the entries, but you just have to understand how it is done, like the way I'm explaining it. So if you've forgotten that this belongs here, this belongs there, then you have to go by what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
What is next?
Okay. So check lodgement. So that's uncredited check was 232810.
Sit down. You are sleeping, so you are reading things I don't even know where you got the words from.
A check lodgement of um had not been entered by the bank. So
So
that's on
check logic.
credit there.
So on credit straight away.
Yeah.
What's the figure? Two,
Two,
three,
three,
two,
two,
810.
810,
810. 232,810.
10. Yeah. The bank
Mm-hmm.
had carried out an order to pay an insurance premium of 50,000 on behalf of the Adumanco enterprise.
Mm-hmm.
Um, that would be the bank had carried out so standing order
Good. How much?
50,000.
Mm-hmm.
50,000. A check of a check for 23,400 received from a customer and paid into the bank had been dishonored but not entered in the cash book.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll say it's dishonored check
Mm-hmm.
and it's going to the credits.
Mm-hmm.
So that's 23,400. 2,400.
Mm-hmm.
And then the bank had entered a withdrawal of 59,500 as 69,500. The bank had entered a withdrawal. And
So which of the books has the issue?
the bank had, so cash book has an issue.
Which of the ebooks has the issue, has the
Bank,
challenge?
bank,
Is the bank a book?
cash book,
The bank statements.
the bank statement.
The bank statement is a book. The cash book is a book. So we are dealing with two books. Who handles the bank statements? The bank.
The bank,
Who handles the book, cash book?
the
Adomako.
customer,
Adomako handles the cash book. So if they say the bank had entered a withdrawal of 59,500 at 69,500, which of the two books has the issue here? Is the bank statement.
the bank.
So it
Yeah.
means we are going to correct it in the BRS, not the cash book. The cash book doesn't have any problem.
Okay.
They said it is the bank. So the bank is has. So if it's the bank statement having the issue, what is used to correct the bank statement?
BRS.
The BRS. So we'll come here. Pay attention here. So now here it is an error. The error, we are going to now check whether it is the error under unpresented checks or error under uncredited checks. Now, whenever there is an error like this, the bank identified a withdrawal of 59,500, 69,500. The bank never makes a mistake, mostly. The bank never makes mistakes. So here, unlike the first one where Adomako entered a receipt and we said that Adomako has made a mistake, the last but one or the penultimate bullet point, the bank never makes mistakes. So the assumption is that whenever there is a mistake between a figure, which was a check figure, and what the bank entered, the bank's figure is correct.
Oh, okay.
So the bank 69,500 is rather correct. So what happened to the 59,500? Or what did the bank do to the 59,500 to get 69,500? They did debit or credit it.
If you are withdrawing,
Did the bank, listen to me, did the bank, the 59,500, did it debit it? Debit means deduct. Did it deduct from it or it credited it to get 69,500?
it debited,
Madam, look at the figures well.
credited.
It's 59,500. If you debit 59,500, will you get 69,500?
No.
You credit it, you add more to it. Credit is add, debit is deduct, subtract. So the bank rather credited the 59,500 to obtain 69,500. So between the error under unpresented and the error under uncredited, which one is credited?
But it says withdraw. The bank had entered a withdrawal.
Okay. I'm not talking about the error. I'm talking about the figure, the figure. If you are
Okay.
going to withdraw 59,500 and the bank ends up giving you 69,500, the bank doesn't withdraw money. Oh. It is for a customer. The bank
Mm-hmm.
is just giving the money to the customer.
Yeah.
So the question is, the 59,500, I'm not talking about the withdrawal, I'm talking about the figures. What did the bank do to the 59,500 to get 69,500? Did they debit or credit it?
Credited.
Yes. But eventually, it will debit the Adomako Enterprise with the 69,500 and give it to the customer. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
But with a figure, they did deduct or they did add to it to get the 69,500. It's added. And when it adds, what does it mean? It is crediting. So that's the error. Are you good?
Yeah.
So I'm asking the error. Is it the error under unpresented checks or error which was correct? Is it an error under unpresented or error under uncredited?
Error under uncredited
Why?
because the bank credited.
Because it was corrected by crediting. That's what I wanted. So let's go. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So we say that the 69,500 minus what? The six minus what? The 59,500. What's the
59,000.
difference?
1,000.
1,000. Let's go. We'll add it to the credits. Let's go. What next?
An investment interest. I'm coming. An investment interest of 29,000 had been credited to a banco account by the bank.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's bank loan or
Madam, just we don't need whether
bank
it's bank.
charges.
Madam.
Okay.
Understand the transaction. Understand the transaction.
An investment interest. Oh, interest. So that's debit.
Read a full thing and tell me.
An investment interest of 29,000 had been credited to Admanco Enterprise accounts by the bank.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
You are not asking yourself the questions I want you to ask. If you just read it like that, I can easily tell you what it is, but I want you to see whether you can reason around it. You just saw interest, you said is you are going to do this. No. One, it's an investment, it's an interest. So it tells you that it is. So it says the bank has credited. What does it mean?
Credited is going to the credit. Has given
Has given who? Me.
you money.
Who? Me? Is it Adomako or me?
Admanco,
So was it, will it increase or decrease the balance in the account?
it will increase
So it is crediting in the bank account. So how will it be in the cash book?
as bank
It is crediting in the bank statement, adding money to Adomako's account in the bank statement. There are two books, bank statement and cash book. It is crediting. It has credited Adomako's enterprise account in the bank statement. How will it be in the cash book?
credit transfer
Madam, where would you record it in the cash book? That's what I mean.
at the credit side.
It has credited in the bank statement. Double entry.
Oh, okay. So
How
it's
can you credit
debit.
and credit?
It's debit just credited with the hour.
That is one thing. You have to look at it that way also. It credited it in Adomako Enterprise account. You are saying it will credit in a cash book. Are you doing double entry or you are
No,
creating your own accounting system, madam?
I get now. I get you.
So it's credited in the banks by the bank. It tells you that the bank has done it. You know, it's whereas they didn't mention this issue, they didn't mention the name of the cash book, which means that the cash book has not been recorded. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So it was credited to Adomako Enterprise account by the bank.
Mm-hmm.
So if it was credited in Adomako Enterprise by the bank, how will it be recorded? How will it be done in the cash book? It will be on the debit side because double entry. Credit the bank, debit the cash book. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
That is one method. Another method is it is an investment interest, meaning the business has invested. So if the business has invested and is earning an interest,
It's a
is the
debit.
money coming in or going out of the cash book? Will it come or is it coming to the business or it's leaving the business? The 29,000
It's coming.
is coming, so it's on the debit side. But the better interpretation is the one I gave, the first one. They have credited the bank account. So the corresponding double entry will be in the we are dealing with two accounts, bank account and the cash account and the cash book. So we are dealing with the bank statement as a book and the cash book as a book. So when from the beginning, here, you shouldn't forget a double entry. If you get it, then you are messed up here. From the beginning, whenever they debit the cash book, you credit the bank statement. When they debit the bank statement, you credit cash. When you credit the bank statement, you debit the cash book. That's what we are dealing with. Diagonally. If you mess it up, you are doomed. Oh, sorry. If you mess it up, you mess up everything. So we go. It will be on the credit side, investment interest, right?
It should be on the debit side.
It will be on the debit side because they have credited it in the bank statement.
Is that credit?
I said they have credited it in the bank statement.
Mm-hmm.
Opposite side, you debit it.
Yeah.
An investment is also coming in. If it's coming into the business as a cash, you debit it. Investments in, so it's like the dividend received, investments received, interest received. That's the same thing. Interest received is the same as the investment interest. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Commission interest, commission received. All those received, they go to the debit side. So we have here as what? 29,000. Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So the credit has the
The higher.
yeah.
So let's close it off.
Okay.
You are after this, you have to watch the video again, practice and get it. You because of the first mistake you did, let me also calculate alongside. I'm afraid.
I got 922,990.
Madam,
Nine.
confirm the figures. Go over the figures again.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you have to do. Oh. You have to be accounting. Don't be surprised when you are told to go over your figures because you mess up. You saw the first thing you did, the blunder. It will distort everything. What do you have?
I have 229,900.
What?
229,900.
You repeat the same
So
thing here.
yeah, 229,900. The balance carried down. They add that one too. Hey. Hmm.
Quick. It's late.
Hmm. So that's 4,400
114,000.
minus 40. Oh, okay. You've gotten it.
I'm asking you. So 114,000 plus 29,000 minus 29,900.
4,400.
For 114,000. What is 14,400?
100
100.
and yeah.
114 zeros.
Oh, 30
Hey,
plus 29,000. That's 143,000.
so I practice from the 29, 229,900.
143. 86,900.
Now it means when you add all these three, you get the 229,900. Balance what?
Carry down.
What next?
Balance brought down.
Where?
The added the credit side down there.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Mm-hmm.
6,900. Then balance brought down. Eight
Quick, 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 quick.
900. So you come down balance as as per adjusted cash book
Mm-hmm.
credit. So credit, you bring it um eighty-six
Credit what?
thousand 86,900.
Mm-hmm.
6,900. Then you use the um add credited uncredited
Mm-hmm.
credited check, which was 232,810
Two, three.
810. Then error was 1,000.
So error. We had
1,000.
69,500 minus 59,500. We had what?
1,000.
1,000. Mm-hmm.
Where is your okay? Then you calculate everything.
Mm-hmm.
So 232,810 plus 1,000.
Oh, madam, give me the figure and let me write it.
232,810. Oh, I'm calculating the plus 1,000. That will give us 24,000.
Eh,
It's two,
okay.
three.
You have
Okay.
issues with your calculator and calculation. You have to check it. Otherwise, you may know the right thing, but then you write different figures.
Okay.
You always must confirm that is correct. You always must,
Okay.
when you do the first one, you write the answer somewhere on the question paper. Then go and repeat the figures to check whether you get the same figure before you write it there. What do you
I
have?
got 233,810.
So add it. Add it to the first one. What do you have?
Yes, 86,900. That's 327 then.
Mm-hmm.
Then less unpresented,
Mm-hmm.
unpresented check.
Mm-hmm.
That was nothing.
Hey,
Unpresented check, if you have a figure.
look at it.
Hey, you wrote something I didn't. 100, 10900. So less that's
What do you have?
minus 10900. That give us 211,710.
Two.
11710.
Hey, hold on. 211.
710.
Hey, why? It didn't balance. Hold on.
Uh,
Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, let me get it. Hey, why didn't I balance this? So the error, the reason why it didn't balance is there's an error here. The figure, the computation here should be 10,000, not 1,000.
So
Here
10,000
should be 10,000, not
plus
1,000.
2,810. That'll give us 242.
Hey, let me write my thing. Don't write anything for me. I've told you to check your computation. The first one, the same thing. You made a mistake. This one
Yeah.
too, I didn't check it. I didn't confirm it. I'm going to write the 1,000. It should be 10,000. Let me correct it down here. It is 10,000, not 1,000. I I should have checked your figures. It's 10,000. So when we add it, what do we have?
242,810.
242.
810 plus the top one plus 86,900. That'll give
Will
us
give us what?
329,710.
Madam,
329.
confirm it.
Yeah, I have.
Confirm it again. That's what is
No.
accounting. If you just write one and you go and write it, you make mistakes.
Yeah, 329,710.
Minus 109,000.
No, 109,000. Now we got 220,710.
Two.
20.
Are you
So
getting
but
it?
yeah. So I should always look for the debit. That's where the final, that's where my balance, that's where it should balance, right?
In
I,
exams, balance as per bank statements. In exams, if you add and the other exams condition, if you add and you're not getting the same balance they've given you, don't write your balance in the question. Write it there. Don't say because when you add, you're not getting their figure, you would write your figure which is wrong there. They've given you the balance which you should arrive at. So just add and write your figure there. Are you getting it?
I should just write my figure or write the figure they've given me.
Write the bank statement balance there. Let's assume the first one we did. In exam school, we forgot that it was 10,000, we wrote it 1,000. And we got 2,117, whatever, 2,192, whatever.
Yeah.
So when we added, we got this. Meanwhile, the bank balance said it should be 220,710. Write
Yeah.
the 220,710 there, which is the bank balance in the question. Write it there.
Oh, okay.
Don't go and write your wrong figure because they've said that you should arrive at 220,710.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, when you add, you don't arrive at the figure. So write their figure down there for them.
Oh,
Are
okay.
you, are you getting it?
Yeah.
If you go and write, because when they are marking, they know that the student should arrive at 220,710 because they're giving it to you.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever you did, you made a mistake anywhere. By your 220,710, you can never make a mistake with it because it's just in the question. So copy and paste it there. Do you get
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Don't say no one will penalize you. Because when they are marking, mostly let's say the papers are many and whatever. Here is not another place where they have to check the systems will mark your questions or whatever, right? Here they are marking, let's say, physically or yeah. So when they look at your final balance, you got it. If they want to inspect you didn't get it, that one is up to them. But then so long as they've given you the bank balance of 220,710, you have to write it there. Are you
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
You have to write the figure there, 220,700. You have to get the figure right there, written down there. So although like the first one where we use 1,000, we go 211,721 or 792, you should write this bank balance, which is in the question. Write it there. Don't write your wrong figure there.
Okay.
Okay. So we've ended the class.
Good night.